Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by pinpointing where links auto-open and why. Check browser, mail client, or messaging app behavior and note whether opening happens on click, tap, or paste. This matters for fixes. Once done, inspect installed extensions, add-ons, and any automation apps because they often trigger auto-open. Make sure to record the exact steps that reproduce the issue so you can test changes. Don't skip collecting permission prompts and recent installs. These are the first actionable clues to stop the behavior now. Next, disable likely triggers methodically. Temporarily turn off extensions, automation scripts, and app integrations, then reproduce the issue to isolate the culprit. Change browser settings, block pop-ups, revoke protocol handlers, and reset link handling to a neutral preference. On mobile or desktop, modify app permissions and background launch settings so no app automatically grabs the link. Once you've narrowed it, re-enable items, one at a time, to identify the precise extension or permission causing the auto-open. To finish, remove or update the offending extension or app and clear caches, then restart the device to ensure changes stick. If the problem continues, reset the browser profile or reinstall the app so default handlers are restored. Make sure to test after each action so you know what resolved it. If nothing works, reproduce the issue in safe mode or a new user account to eliminate profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: run a clean session with no extensions to confirm whether an add-on is responsible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.